Hidden Mickeys in the carpet. Babe, they got hidden Mickeys in the carpet. It's going to be on our left side. Good. Run. Run, run, run as fast as you can.
You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread.
Okay.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Welcome Alfred and Swift party. Look. Wowzers. Let's check out our view. Oh, I'll just scheme it out. That's really pretty.
It's beautiful.
I spy with my little eye.
An Expedition Everest.
My baby, I miss you.
Not this trip.
No.
Not this trip. Next month.
This is a really pretty room.
It's very nice.
Wow.
Oh, we got a Mickey.
Where?
Out here on the door.
Surprise! In case you haven't already figured it out, we're here in Disney World.
Yep.
Staying at the Coronado for the first time.
Gran
And
Destino,
guess
baby.
what? We go home tomorrow. We're literally here just to see Happily Ever After.
One last time.
One last time. Because when we come back next month, they're gonna have the new 50th show. So last day for Happily Ever After is the 29th of September. And we're trying to see that tonight before
We will see.
it disappears. We will see it tonight. And I will be sobbing.
It's not an exaggeration. She's really gonna stop.
Really. We're on our way to Magic Kingdom now. Peep the fancy elevator here at Coronado. What's that, Gran Destino? Basically, you like pick what floor you're going to and it assigns you an elevator. Show the fit, show the fit. Ooh, 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 all ears, ooh. Update everyone, the Epcot monorail is running again. But we're not going to Epcot today. We're going to that beautiful place right there. Alrighty, we're going in. This is Ryan's first time seeing these beautiful babies. Hold on, I gotta get a map. I gotta get a map.
Of course. Is it 50th themed at all? No.
No 50th theme. That's fine.
It's really not crowded here.
No?
Flight retreat for that.
Yeah, we can.
Let's do Big Thunder Mountain first.
Okay. It's the first. We never rode Big Thunder for the first
At
time.
least I want to do the outdoor ride as much as we can.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, first of all, the crowd down Main Street is not bad. And look at that castle. Last time we were here, Casey's was not open, and it has officially reopened. And I'm so excited.
Right this time of the time, just that they don't have a huge breaker.
Wowzers! Wowzers! Alright, we got plenty of time to take pictures in front of the castle later. Wow. And as usual, the spring roll cart is not open.
Once again.
For the first time, we are heading to Frontierland to ride Big Thunder Mountain as the first ride of the day. Also, let me in. Let me in. First snack of the day.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Guess what I'm eating?
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Let me get some, let me get some, let me get some. First ride of the day is Big Thunder Mountain, posted at a 20-minute wait. I don't know if it's gonna be 20 minutes. Probably not. Ryan's timing it as always. What's the time?
10-minute wait.
I wanted to quickly show the crowd level here in Frontierland and how it's really not that crowded. We have just entered the queue for Splash Mountain, posted at a 25-minute wait, which I doubt it would be 25 minutes honestly, because Big Thunder was like 10. I'm so happy I finally got to wear these ears. Aren't they so pretty? They're from Park Hopper Design. You can link her shop, their Instagram in the bio. For the glass slipper ears. Look at that, look at them sparkle, look.
Very nice.
Right? We're approaching the loading area. We're also approaching an AC unit hole in the ceiling, which is over here somewhere, which we're really looking forward to. But yeah, loading area is here, and what's the time?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. LOLs. Look at us down. So normally I put my hair up when I go on Splash Mountain, and I don't know what possessed me to not put it up this time. And now look at my hair. Are you ready?
Ready for what? Oh.
Look at it. Like it literally, oh my god, my hair got wet and now it's not gonna look like I curled the front pieces. They're gonna look like they curled naturally, and I'm upset. For the first time since January 2020, we are getting lunch at Casey's Corner. What a time. Come here, little ducky. What should we name him? Mallory. Mallory. It's a girl. I've decided that she's a girl. Oh shoot. See you later, Mallory. See ya. Look at us having lunch with the view. Look at that beauty. They have a limited menu, and I had to get a regular beef hot dog. Normally I get the mac and cheese one. I mean, it's not on the menu. Do they have your corn nuggets? Your corn dog nuggets?
They did, but I didn't get them.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to get a hot dog and corn dog nuggets.
Oh, I thought that's what you normally did.
No.
We just finished lunch at Casey's. Now we are heading over to Mine Train before the rain comes. It's also like a 45-minute wait, which isn't bad. It's like the middle of the afternoon, so for a 45...
For Mine Train, that's really not bad.
No, not at all. Here's our spot. I'm going to make a wish.
Shout out to the woman who commented on our engagement video saying, "Oh, this is never gonna last." How's it going, lady?
We're in line for Seven Dwarfs, and the wait is posted at 45 minutes. And our tradition is what?
To time it.
We're here almost at the loading area, just maybe like a few more people in front of us. And the wait time is about 36 minutes right now. So it should be less than 45. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
It's also raining, so you ready to get wet? So it's been raining, which is why I haven't had the camera out, but obviously we're in line for Space Mountain. It was posted at 20 minutes, and we ended up sitting outside for like almost 10. So this is the first ride that we've been on so far.
Once we got inside, it moved pretty quickly.
Yeah. It's been the first ride we've got on today that the line was longer than it was posted, but here we are. And just like that, the rain has stopped and the sun is back out. South Florida. We're on our way to People Mover. We haven't rode this ride since January 2020. Where do we go? Yay! How exciting!
I know, first time since 2020.
I know!
January.
Over a year ago.
Damn near closer to 2 at this point.
Yeah. People Mover was posted at 25 minutes and it was literally
2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Literally, oh, walk on. 2 minutes.
While visiting this land of
Look at Tron, wow. What is that blue thing around it? Wow.
vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
Wow, look at that. How cool does that look? Now that we're done people moving now that we're done people watching, whatever, we're getting on Buzz. We're gonna try to get Galactic Hero. Yay, someone gets Galactic Hero.
That someone is me.
And I don't. Why don't you just put it on your pin?
I don't know. I'm celebrating Galactic Hero.
Look at one of the golden 50th statues on the purple wall, and it's Stitch. And he has a 50th emblem sticking out of his mouth. Maybe we'll go over there. Ryan has no clue that I stood behind to take so many pictures of the castle. And I'm like trying so hard to catch up to him. Before we get on our next ride, we are getting a little snack from the Friar's Nook. What did we get? I think we got the loaded buffalo chicken tater bites. I think that's what we got. Oh my God, they have a loaded bacon macaroni and cheese hot dog here. And they have a loaded buffalo chicken hot dog and tater bites. Wow. So apparently there's 50 golden statues for the 50th anniversary. Look at that. And you got Pinocchio right over there.